Force 44 reporting from Driverwood's Airsoft in West Sussex. Our mission objective today is to wipe out as much of the enemy team as possible while conserving our own respawns.
Unfortunately, due to minor technical issues, we lost the footage from both of my cameras.
And due to a gun malfunction, we also had no barrel cam from my primary weapon, as I had to change to a spare rifle. And so with that being that, let's get into it.
Left over to the right. That way. No problem. Fit with the tight FE that well. So.
Right, I'm ready to go.
One sec, and I will be as well. I take it one more man. Go.
Ah! How the hell did you do that?
Shot through the side.
Oh!
Yeah, back in. I think I need to change my goggles. I think you do.
Yeah, you need to get different goggles.
I've just literally just worked and went out and just shot straight through the side.
Meshes all day, mate.
Yeah.
Well, normally I wouldn't, but I can quite do that. At least it doesn't take long to reload each man.
Yeah. Well, I'm fully reloaded and fully wound, and if I get jammed up again, I'm gonna cry.
Clean your barrel and stuff.
Oh no, it just wasn't feeding.
At all?
Oh. No.
Well, where's the way out, boys?
Way out?
Straight.
Just literally duck through here.
And duck on the right.
Can't, mate.
I think that mesh, I can't see a whole lot.
Yeah, you can't see very far.
Hero sharps.
John, the guy with the M249,
yeah.
He has the ones with the built-in fan. Never fog up.
Yeah. Well, it's either that or get an exo fog.
Yeah.
Just gotta make sure I don't.
Did you just touch my bum?
No, my gun did. I can if you want.
Yeah, go on. Woo! Coming through, coming through, coming through, coming through. Coming through, coming through, coming through, coming through. Woo!
Everybody!
The boys!
Hey!
Yeah, spoiler alert, lots of bad guys and there's not much cover.
Yeah, I know, I just emptied like 5 rounds into some dude. Whoa!
Can't hit anything with this, it's just keeping their heads down.
Whoa!
What have we got?
Hits!
Bugger.
Right in the face. Love it.
We followed you out there, but then you got shot, so we came back really quick.
Corner, but
There's still one on the drum.
Yeah.
Marshall! 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 Did the guy on the drum get got? I'll take that one.
No, I'll have that.
Get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. There's 3 of them remaining.
Move your head, move your head, move your head.
Hit!
I got him. You nearly got a couple of rounds to the back of the head then.
That's right, I got one to the front of it.
Let me know when I'm covered. Ready?
On 3. Go.
Straight on that side.
Hit. Alfie!
normally straight here somewhere.
What have you dropped?
Pistol mag.
What's it for?
M92.
Alright, keep an eye on that. Just blacks, right?
Yeah, just black. It is.
I've not even loaded my pistol. Oh no, I have.
Oh,
And it's gone.
Is that how it game over?
You lost yours and all.
I've lost one of mine as well. Oh, just my, yeah, yeah.
Oh.
What is it? What is it? Oh, that's mine! Yeah, I love you.
You know what? The first slap draft is so powerful when shooting forward.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And that concludes today's gameplay. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.